Hi guys, so if you have been following my journey, you already know that I'm an automotive technician, and most of the content I share is about diagnosing and repairing luxury vehicles. But today, I'm stepping outside my comfort zone to learn something new. So this is my very first time of installing a VIN wrap, and I decided to document the process so you can see exactly how it went, both the challenges and the final results. By the way, this car is a Mercedes-Benz C350, and the goal is to wrap the front hood using this 4D black vein wrap. Before laying down the wrap, I made sure the surface was properly cleaned because every little speck of dust or dirt can affect the final finish. So you can see me laying the vein wrap, and I added the magnets on top of the body so that it would hold the vein wrap against the body of the car properly, since I'm the only one doing it. I won't pretend to be an expert at wrapping, but I believe the best way to improve is by getting hands-on and learning also with every project. That is what this video is about: trying something new, paying attention to details, and seeing if I could achieve a professional looking result. So see how I'm peeling off the vein wrap from the paper. So if you are watching up to this extent and you have not subscribed, please kindly help subscribe and support me with a like, and you can help share this video as well. So as the installation goes, I will share some techniques I used, the mistakes I try to avoid. As you can see, I was trying to avoid the mistake of the vein wrap not coming together while trying to separate it from the paper. It was very difficult for me though, but I'm still doing it I'm still doing it since I'm learning it alongside doing it. So while laying the wrap, once some part of it touches the body of the car, you see it's very difficult to get it laid back. And also, if there's a way you pinch the two edges of the vein wrap together, if you spread it, you have to use the heat gun to revive that part before it will get smooth again, or else it will get squeezed and to form out a very horrible finishing. So if you ever thought of wrapping your own car, or you are simply curious about the process, stick around until the end and let me know what you think of the final outcome. You can see I'm doing it. By the way, doing wrap job at night is not as easy as it seems. So I've laid that first side, I'm trying to lay the other side now. But it was very, very difficult for me since I was the only one working on it. Also, you have to use gloves to lay it down so you don't scratch the vein wrap while trying to lay it properly. So another mistake I made was to stretch everything all out, because it makes it very difficult for me to achieve the good results which I later achieved. So I was trying to peel off the paper from the gummy part of the vein wrap. So I took out the paper carefully to ensure I did not damage the vein wrap while trying to remove the paper. So, and if you are applying a vein wrap, you have to stretch it properly so some parts will not get squeezed while the other parts in good condition. So I had to stretch it, I had to drag it properly since I've already placed that other side on the front hood. So I had to stretch it properly in order for it not to come out rumpled and rough. As you can see, while trying to do that, I also ensure I did not allow this other side to feel loose, so it don't get damaged and rumpled. So I lay it properly, and at this point you can see I'm trying to do the finishing, trying to squeeze it to hit the ending so it will lap properly, so it won't pull off, so it won't start peeling from those edges. I laid it properly, I cut it, which is I carved it. While trimming, I ensure to trim it very close, because if it's too big, if the extended parts are too big, it will make the gum fade out quickly. So I ensure to trace it properly, I ensure to hit those edges, and also to lay them against the body of the underneath of the hood, so you can see how the outcome is. So guys, take a quick look of how it turned out. By the way, the wrap job looks very perfect. So thank you guys for staying around. I hope you enjoyed the video. Those that watched the video to the end, I hope you enjoyed the video. So welcome to my new already subscribers, and also if you are coming across my video for the first time, kindly support me by subscribing, liking and sharing. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. See you on the next progress. So for any questions or suggestions, you can kindly leave a comment below and I'll respond to it as soon as possible. Peace.